Angela Fox, and I'm from Springdale, Arkansas, and I am here to get service done on my Sequoia today. The service department to me is just incredible. How efficient the people are getting you in, getting you taken care of when you come in, and then you get to come in and you get to watch TV, and you can have donuts if it's on a Saturday morning, or cookies, and of course I'm here watching the Iowa Hawkeye game today while I wait for my service to be completed, so that's fun. I just feel like Toyota of Northwest Arkansas is a place that you can trust. You can come here and you can trust them with your vehicle and with your family, because that's who you have in the vehicle with you. So I always just feel 100% sure when they've serviced my vehicle that I'm going to take it back on the road and have my kids in the car and we're going to be safe. I would tell you that it's a trustworthy dealership, that you can go there and you can trust what they're telling you and they'll work with you to get you what you want.